the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the insurgency there pitted several thousand Baloch against about 100,000 armed forces of the Pakistan Army, helped by Iranian helicopter gunships and aircraft. At that time, the Shah of Iran was helping Bhutto. The struggle went into a kind of stalemate and was only resolved after the overthrow of Bhutto by Zia-ul Haq, who then announced an amnesty.
Whenever the Balochs have felt threatened, they have taken to arms and retreated to the mountains to wage a guerrilla war. And this time it's no different. The Baloch nationalists are led by the 80-year-old Nawab Akbar Bukhti, who is the leader of the Jamhuri Watan Party, was once the governor and even chief minister of the province. Nawab Khair Bakhsh Mari, who heads the Haq Tawar party and is the powerful tribal chief of Kohlu in the east of Balochistan, the site of the new gas and oil find. The outlawed, faceless Baloch Liberation Army, the new face of the once Soviet-backed underground organization, and Sardar Ataullah Mengal, who only politically supports the movement. He heads the Balochistan National Party and has considerable influence in Mastang, Wat and urban centers. From his hideout deep in the mountains, this is Bukhti's stark warning.
Well, we have started with autonomy. When nobody gives us any autonomy, then people start thinking in other extremes, which is but natural.
The present conflict was initially triggered by the rape of a Sindhi lady doctor in the Baloch town of Sui. The horrific and much publicized incident in January 2005 deepened the resentment among the Balochs. The 32-year-old Dr. Shazia Khalid was allegedly raped by a military man on government property, the Pakistan Petroleum Limited grounds. Captain Hamad, the main suspect, was publicly declared 100% innocent by President Musharraf even before a judicial inquiry completed its investigations.
जब पाकिस्तान के सदर ने ही कह दिया कि ही इज़ नॉट गिल्टी, ही इज़ इनोसेंट, और ये कि हम मेरी आइडेंटिफिकेशन परेड से पहले और मेरी पहले और कैप्टन हमाद के ट्रिब्यूनल से पहले उन्होंने ये अनाउंस कर दिया कि ही इज़ इनोसेंट.
एक चीफ सस्पेक्ट को यानी कि अपने तौर से कह दिया कि ही इज़ नॉट गिल्टी, ही इज़ इनोसेंट, तो बात ख़त्म हो जाती है. जज या कौन, पाकिस्तान की कौन सी अदालत यानी कि उस केस को लेती.
The way the entire episode was handled for the Baloch nationalists became another affront to their sentiments. Immediately, they launched a series of attacks on the government's gas installations in Sui.
हुकूमत का ये भी दावा है कि आप लोग अटैक करते हैं सुई गैस.
कौन कहते हैं हम लोग अटैक करते हैं? पहले हुकूमत खुद अटैक करता है, फिर बोलता है कि आप लोग अटैक करते हैं.
झूठ, सरासर झूठ, ये नहीं हो रहा है.
President Musharraf responded with a televised address, warning Baloch nationalists that unlike the 1970s when they fled to the mountains, this time they won't know what hit them. After agitations for 2 months caused major disruptions of gas supplies,